yes, my subscriptions are here. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is subscription box day. That's right, I've got my Boxy Charm box, and I've got my little Ipsy subscription, and we're gonna open them up, and we're gonna compare them, and we're gonna check out what they sent us for September. Yes! If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday with my own brand of beauty nonsense. I know. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share it all around. Let's get right into these subscriptions. Let's start, we're gonna start with Ipsy. I get the bottom tier of both of my subscription boxes. Not because I don't love full-size products, but you know, I go for the most cost-effective option for me. So the smaller, look at my address, privacy. The smaller Ipsy subscription monthly package is about $13, and in it, stuffing things, great. Okay, I like the little pouch they gave us this month. Every month you get a little makeup pouch. This one's serving me all the Clueless plaid vibes. It's very like first day of school. Very cute. Very, very cute. All right. What's in here? What's in the bag? Okay. Ooh, okay. So this one is the back to work school life package. Okay. Cheers to 10 years of Ipsy. Oh, happy 10 years, Ipsy. Okay, here we go. So, in this one, pencil in a little one-on-one time with your 5 new Glam bag products valued at $50+. So $13 a month, I get like $50 worth of product. I can live with this. I like this. It also ensures I'll always have little travel sizes of things, and I do like to take a little trip with nice products. So, first and foremost, we have the Pureless Beauty Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream SPF 30 in Fair. Yes. Love some BB cream. Sealed for protection. Okay, let's give her a little, little BB cream. I love it. It's actually like I'm pretty sure I'm wearing this BB cream today, actually. Might be a different brand. I should check. I should have also grabbed a tissue or a towel. Okay, we'll just clean that up. Always need some BB cream, so that's great. That's great. And SPF is important year-round, everybody. Then we have the H2O Plus Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. Great! The ultimate gel cleanser for sensitive, stressed out, or redness-prone skin. Ooh, all natural ingredients to remove makeup and help refresh and reset your skin without leaving you feeling tight, dry, or irritated. Okay, cute. So we have a cleanser, we have a BB cream. What's next? We've got the ARACELI Beauty Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner in Sangria. Great. I don't know if I'll ever wear this shade. It's kind of like a bronzy gel. I like the way it goes on though. It's a very smooth. Oh, I might use it. You can kind of smudge it a bit. I don't know, we'll see about that. I like how it goes on. It's not really something I usually use in terms of my color, obviously. Next, we have the ORYZA Champagne Shimmer Eyeshadow. Let's take a gander. That's actually pretty cute, and I will definitely use the pink one over here. Let's swatch it. Da 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 da. Swatching, very shimmery, very fun. Yeah, dig it. I like that pink. That's a fun pink. Okay, cute. And then there's the ENATURE Sheet Mask Duo in Chia Herb Restore and Squeeze Green Watery. Store these EVs in the fridge for extra cooling benefits upon application. Okay, great. So I have 2 sheet masks to try. Great, I always need a sheet mask. Okay, this one's Watery Sheet Mask, Skin Refresh Facial Mask, moisturizing and refining with kale, parsley, and chlorophyll. So this one's super plant-based. And this one is the Restore Sheet Mask, Skin Relief Facial Mask, soothing and softening, Centella acetea extract. Should be chamomile, right? Whatever. So, 2 little sheet masks to try. Great. So, Ipsy, $50 value. Got it. Let's put this aside. Let's see what Boxy sent me this month. What's in the box? Oh, it's sealed. If you've been wondering what's around my neck, tools. We use tools. Okay. I am already excited because there's a big box in here. This is so cute. Look at how much is in here. Okay. This is $25 a month. This is the bottom tier. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Get 5 products. We're doing 5 products in each box. Wow. Okay, so right off the top, the Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Treatment. This is a $60 product. And wow, anti-aging, fine line, smooth, refined glow. Can I just say how much I love Glam Glow's packaging? It's just cute. Okay, but it is a lot of packaging for this. Is there something else in here? Is there something I should know about? No? Is that it? That's it. That's a lot of packaging for this product. So as pretty as the packaging is, I think we could be a little less extra Glam Glow, but this is, wow, this is cool. Look at it. Okay, clean, muddy goodness. I am looking forward to trying this. This already makes the whole box worth it. What else we got? Oh, okay, super exciting. Okay, then we've got the ELEMIS. I do like ELEMIS. Superfood Aha Glow Cleansing Butter. This is a pumpkin glow facial cleanser. Okay. And again, this is a full-size product. So Ipsy sent me this tiny little gel cleanser, which will be great for travel. But this is like, wow, full-on deal. And she retails for $38. Again, we've already paid for the box. And then some. Oh, that's... I thought it would have like, it doesn't really smell like anything. I think I got it on my nose. I did. Good job. I thought it would have kind of like a pumpkin spice smell kind of thing happening. It does not, which is great. Like, I like that this is, ooh, it has cherry and mango butter. Ooh, cleanse, brightens, nourishes. So exciting. Okay, next in the box. What is this? Pump Your Base Pinky Rose Cosmetics. This is 2 multiple use makeup sticks. Look at how cute this packaging is. It's a little boom box. Okay, so in here we have jazz and hip hop, and they look like, yep, it is in fact highlighter and a, well, that makes me sad, bronzer stick. So this is our contour. That's okay. What does that retail for? 20 bucks. $20 product right here. Great. Next, Give Them La La Beauty mascara. And this guy retails for also $20. And ooh, cruelty free. We love that. We love that. Let's have a gander. Oh, it's one of these like caterpillar looking. I'm not the biggest fan of these like, of the silicone little brushy things. I just, for me, prefer that classic fibered mascara wand. But we'll give this a shot. Are you, making a mess. I'm such a klutz. Are you waterproof? The Give Them La La Beauty mascara creates fuller, more dramatic looking lashes. The silicone brush separates, elongates, blunts, giving you the perfect glam without clumping, flaking, or smudging. So doesn't say waterproof. Good to know. Good to know. This is not a mascara you wear for a good cry. Lastly, the Best Friends Forever In Bloom Duo Fiber Makeup Brush Set. So we've got an entire brush set. Look at this packaging, it's so cute, it's a donut. Ah! Half caked. Our In Bloom powder brush will have you glowing in just one swipe. Apply with our Duo Fiber brush and watch the primer infused formula blend flawlessly into your skin. Okay, it is not a full brush set, no way. What's actually in here? We got a brush. This is not a brush set. I lied. Oh, babe tested, vegan approved too. This is a brush. And are you? Refer to the card. Half Cake Best Friends Forever In Blue Duo Fiber Brush Set. Meet your blush BFF. Get intense pigment with a matte finish that will take you from day to. Okay, so it's a blush. Half Caked, In Bloom, freshly squeezed. That is a lot of pigment. It's also kind of a more on the orange side. I would call this more of a coral. Duo Fiber. Oh, okay, so look at this. Like, it's got the main body of a brush in there. The natural hairs. And then these extra elongated brush bristles through the top. So there is like, that's where the body of it is inside here. And then these extra guys. So what does that do? It makes a mess. We're just giving Jem more hair. Wow, okay, so this deposits a lot of product. You see me. A lot of product very quickly and very smoothly. I like her. I like her. She's shedding. Ooh, she's shedding. She's shedding. The silicone bristles, not silicone, the acrylic bristles in here do shed a little bit. Okay, well, so that's both our boxes. Overall, I'm gonna say this month, September, I am more impressed with my Boxy than my Ipsy. I just feel like there's just between the mud and the cleanser, I'm like, this is solid. The pencil and the eyeshadow that was included in here, I'm really only gonna use maybe 1 or 2 of the 4 shades. Let's not kid ourselves. I'm gonna use one of these shades. It's gonna be this one. That's gonna be my life. The rest of them, I'm probably not gonna use as often, at least. I don't do a lot of bronze. I never do bronze. I don't really do gold. So, and the pencil's a little lost on me. But for $13, I like that I have 2 more sheet masks. I like that I have trial travel sizes of the BB cream and the cleanser, the H2O Plus cleanser. So, okay, yeah, I got what I paid for out of the Ipsy, but I got way more bang for my buck out of the Boxy subscription. Yeah, so thanks for joining me today, guys, for this subscription box on boxing, Ipsy, and Boxycharm. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share with all your friends. You know, do the thing, do the thing. You can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, give your hair a kiss. Check out my products and exclusive offers. I'm kneeling on bubble wrap, or not kneeling, I'm leaning on bubble wrap right now. Check out my products and exclusive offers, which will be shipped to you, probably in bubble wrap, at giveyourhairakiss.com, where you can also book your appointment online for my exclusive hair studio, The Kissing Booth. More information on that to come. So until next Tuesday, guys, give your hair a kiss.